Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Hope you guys doing well. Today I'm going to teach you how to protect your Word, Excel, and the PDF documents in a very easy method. Okay, so let's connect to the session. Before that, I have created the software technologies playlist here. You can watch it. A number of videos is here to give the overview of different software technologies. Okay, the software application and all. So let's connect to the session. So firstly, I'm going to protect the Microsoft Word documents. So I have created one document here, doc1, which I need to protect because it's something it's like the confidential data in that Word documents and all. So for that, how to protect your Word document, I will teach you very simple method. So let's assume this is your Word document with which you want to protect. Come to the file, and here if you see, look at this info, click on info, and here the protect document, click on that. Then you will see the here encrypt with password. Let me minimize the screen. 1 second. I'm not sure you are able to see or not. Yeah, you can see the protect encrypt with password. Click on that, give the password some which you want to keep, and just click on OK. Okay, give the confirmation and click on OK. So here is one message: a password is required to open this document. So once again, if you reopen the documents again, it will ask the same password. Just click on cross button, give the save. Okay. Now I'm trying to reopen the same document. Let's see whether it's asking or not. Yeah, it's asking to give the password, and it will open for you. Okay. So this is for Microsoft Word. The same I can do for Excel also. Click on Excel. Let me minimize the screen. So this is your Excel document, the same document I have kept actually, which you want to keep the protection. Click on a file, click on info, same protect workbook. Okay, click on that, and the same features you can get from the Microsoft Excel as well. Encrypt the password here, right? Click on that and then give the password. It will ask for the confirmation again, same like a Word. Click on OK. So what is the message? The password is required to open this workbook. Just do the cross, click on a save, okay, and reopen the same document. See whether it's asking or not. It's asking to give the password, like okay. So this is for Microsoft Excel as well. You can protect the confidential data. Okay. Now for the PDF, if your PDF, just let me open the PDF file. The same documents I have here. So for PDF, if you have the license, if you purchase that, then go to the here, come to the left right corner, right panel. You can see the protect. Okay, if you click on a protect, here it will ask for to purchase the the software. The free version cannot allow you to protect the password. So this is the problem here. Mostly people are using the free Adobe software, so it will ask to purchase that. So just cross it, no worries. I will tell you how to do that. Okay, so for that you have to come to the Google and type online PDF protector, right? So this is the website. Click on that, and here very easily you can protect your PDF file. Choose the file. Let me give the the file which I want to protect. So doc3, just click on OK. Okay, encrypt your PDF with a password, right? It's asking to choose the password, so I'm giving the password. Give the confirmation. It's a just 1 minute task. It's uploading the document. It will give you to download with the protected documents. So now you can see My document is ready. You just click on download. Okay. It will ask to save where you want to save. Just click on a save. Okay, so I have saved here. Just try to open the PDF. Let's see, it's asking the password. So that website create an encrypt a document for you, right? Give the password and click on OK. You can see you can access the PDF. Your PDF is not protected, right? So this is pretty much good website. Through that you can do easily, free of cost, no any money, right? So that's it, guys, for today. Session was only for these 3 documents: how to protect your Word, Excel, and PDF. That's also free of cost, no any extra charges, right? Hope you like it. In the next session, I will meet you soon. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.